felt like your project timelines are slipping through the cracks? Or maybe you're juggling too many deadlines without a clear view of how they overlap. If this has been your experience, it might be time to add a Gantt chart to your project management toolkit. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Katie Linder, a certified project manager, change manager, and coach who works full-time leading and supporting teams in higher education. On this channel, I offer real-world examples of how project management translates into the higher ed environment. If you're looking for ways to use project management tools and skills, both professionally and personally, to bring more ease to your work and life, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Gantt charts, a visual project management tool that can bring structure, clarity, and coordination to your work. But first, what is a Gantt chart? A Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that represents a project schedule. It breaks a project down into individual tasks and displays them along a timeline. Each task is represented by a bar that spans from the start to the end date, giving you a visual overview of what needs to be done and when. Gantt charts can also help you identify dependencies between tasks, meaning you can see which tasks need to be completed before others can begin. This is particularly helpful for managing timelines and avoiding bottlenecks. In higher education, projects often involve multiple stakeholders: faculty, staff, administrators, and sometimes students. Timelines can be tight and overlapping, especially when aligning with academic calendars or fiscal years. Whether you're planning curriculum redesigns, accreditation processes, or campus-wide initiatives, Gantt charts offer a centralized visual representation of your project plan. They help keep everyone on the same page and reduce the likelihood of missed deadlines or duplicated efforts. If you want to try out a Gantt chart, start by identifying all the major tasks involved in your project. Then you can break down those tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Next, determine the sequence of these tasks and which ones depend on others being completed first. For each task, estimate how long it will take and assign start and end dates. Be sure to mark key milestones like approval deadlines or review periods and add buffer time for unexpected delays. Let's also talk about some tips for using Gantt charts effectively and some common pitfalls to avoid. First, you'll want to update your Gantt charts regularly. Your chart should be a living document. As tasks are completed or timelines shift, make updates so that the chart remains an accurate reflection of the project. You'll also want to share your Gantt chart with stakeholders. Use the chart as a communication tool and include it in project updates and meetings so your team always knows what's next. I also like to color code my Gantt charts for clarity. For example, you can assign different colors to different team members, departments, or project phases to quickly identify who is responsible for what. In terms of pitfalls, try to avoid overcomplicating your Gantt chart. Including too much detail can make the Gantt chart overwhelming, so focus on high-level tasks and key milestones. You'll also want to be careful that you aren't ignoring dependencies. Overlooking task relationships can cause unexpected delays, so be sure to map out your dependencies as clearly as you can. Failing to update your Gantt chart is another common pitfall. A static chart quickly becomes irrelevant, so set up a routine for updating your chart on a regular basis. And the last pitfall is a lack of integration. You'll want to ensure your Gantt chart aligns with other project planning tools or documents you're using so that nothing falls through the cracks. Gantt charts can be a game changer for managing complex projects in higher education. They offer a clear visual timeline, help keep your team aligned, and allow you to track progress at a glance. If you've used Gantt charts before, or if you're just getting started, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more project management tips tailored for higher ed professionals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.